what's good? How you doing? It's your boy JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. Right here we're gonna be checking out Taeyong's Tap. Now, if you haven't already, I did talk about Taeyong's TikTok, how it's one of my favorite TikTok accounts thus far. Go check out the video. It's on Dre Day. I'll put it in the link in the description. Also, Patreon, I uploaded an episode to, I don't know how to say the name. It's like a variety show with 6 girls. Hyeri, Chaewon, Yena, Patricia, Lee Jung, and Mion are in a house, and they have to compete for cash to fill up their empty house. It's pretty hilarious. It's up on Patreon. I forgot how to say the name, but someone in the comments could please help me. But Patreon, it's out free. First episode and second episode is free for everyone to watch, and then the other rest is gonna be for like subscribers and stuff. So be on the lookout for that. That's out right now. And my reaction to Lay and Love's video got blocked, so I'm gonna put that on Patreon as well. So go, that's out for free for everyone too. So right now, let's switch it up. We're gonna check out Taeyong Tap. I love Taeyong, bro. He is so, I don't want to say weird. He's freaking maybe he is a little weird. I feel like being weird is fine. I'm weird, but he's like hella talented. He's beautiful, first of all. But all his TikToks have been hilarious, and his music, it kind of shines and shows in his music as well. So without further ado, let's check this out. Captions are on 4K. Let's go. Oh my god, a Nokia. Bro, I love his mind. I love your mind. Woo! Wait, what the hell? That was a dirty ass camera. Oh, it's in the ball. No, you didn't. T, why could he be any cuter than this? Not the shy. Oh. Oh. Bro, he's having fun with this, and I love that he's having fun. He looks beautiful, by the way. Look at it, all dripped down pink, even his lips pink. Not that I was looking. I was looking. How could you not? What? Ooh. Ooh. He's having fun with it. I love it. And it sounds fire. Tapping on me. Hey. Okay, oh chill, hey, yo. Ooh. Ah. Bro, he is so funny. He has a ball in front of him. Okay, let's do it. Woo. Ooh. Sweet and K spice like a pack of bibim noodles. Oh. Yo. Wait, what is that? Damn, not the lick. Bro, I love this man. Get it. Tap it on me. Hey, and it looks like I feel like the dancers are gonna be having fun. Look at this. Oh, the free? Ooh. Tap. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Ooh, the breakdown here is fire. Hey, tap official. Shalala. Ooh, that coat is kind of crazy. Hey. Tap it on me. Hey. Tap it. Was he tripping? Ah, bro, he has fun with it. Ah, man, bruh. There's something I want to say that I don't take any, like, I hate comparing people, but sometimes I like, it gives me that same energy. You know how like T.O.P. from Big Bang has like his weirdness in just in his music videos and just what he expresses. It has the same vibe, totally different though. Taeyong is a totally different vibe, but it has that same kind of energy. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, obviously the raps are different. They're both different type of artists, but it's the carefreeness that I like about it. Same thing, like. Yeah, it's just the carefreeness. Like, it's nothing like the whole music video itself, if we go back. Like, all this. From the lyrics. You know he want that. Tapping on me. From the dance. The dance is killing it, by the way. From the outfits. Knowing damn well this man can look good in anything. Oh, he's getting points too, I just realized. Every tap, right? Yeah. And it makes it fun to watch as well. Dancers be killing it too. The glasses though, are those Gentle Monsters? What are those? Not the bare back. Tapping on me. Ooh. Oh, no more! Dude, the rings on him are crazy. Wait, did you see the dinosaurs in the back? One dinosaur's on top of the other one. What the hell? Tapping on me. This is kind of fire, this area. Yeah, get them legs in. 1, 2, 3, go. That's fire right there too. Saucy. And just me watching it, I don't even have to comment. I'm just literally just smiling. Oh wow, that was a pause. My God. Anyways, put a comment down below what you guys think of Taeyong's Tap MV. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy JRE. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok. It's just random every day. I be Twitch streaming almost every day, so if you could catch it, come through. I'm Twitch streaming tonight. But again, check out the Patreon, link in the description. I got some free stuff for y'all to check out, from the Seraphim already to Lay and Love, new music video and song, and variety shows. Please tell me what variety shows for me to check out. I know there's a variety show called Build Up that just came out that everybody's talking about. I kind of want to check that out too. I might check it out on stream or just make it for Patreon, so let me know. Thank you guys for everything, and yeah, stream Taeyong Tap. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.